He was the smartest guy in the room. Everyone said he'd succeed. Brilliant grades, prestigious job, logical mind. But he couldn't keep a relationship. He kept pushing people away, misunderstanding what others were feeling, and reacting without control. Why? Because IQ isn't everything. Welcome to today's audiobook episode, EQ versus IQ, Why Smart People Still Fail at Relationships. EQ versus IQ defined. IQ, or intelligence quotient, measures your cognitive abilities. Logic, math, abstract thinking. It helps you solve problems and pass tests. But EQ, or emotional intelligence, is different. It's your ability to understand emotions, yours and others. It helps you navigate conflict, build connection, and respond with empathy. IQ may get you the job, but EQ helps you keep it and build the relationships that matter. Let's say you're a doctor. You're brilliant at diagnosing complex illnesses. But when a patient is scared, you dismiss their feelings. When nurses ask questions, you snap. Slowly, people stop trusting you. Your team disengages. That's high IQ, low EQ. And it shows up in every profession, from engineers to entrepreneurs. In real life, people don't care how smart you are. They care how you make them feel. Whether in romantic relationships, friendships, or leadership, your success depends on your emotional presence. Without emotional regulation, small arguments explode. Without empathy, we misjudge others. Without active listening, we miss the real message. Smart people often over-rely on intellect, thinking logic solves everything. But humans are emotional creatures. Connection isn't built on logic, it's built on understanding. Here are a few ways to grow your emotional intelligence. 1. Practice self-awareness. Notice your emotional triggers. Journal how you feel and why. 2. Pause before reacting. Take 3 breaths before responding in conflict. Train yourself to choose, not just react. 3. Listen to understand. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Focus fully. Ask questions. Reflect what you hear. 4. Empathize actively. Try to see the world through someone else's eyes. Empathy builds bridges where logic can't. Emotional intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a life skill. And unlike IQ, it can be developed at any age. So if you've ever felt misunderstood, if logic alone hasn't helped you connect, maybe it's time to build your emotional intelligence. Because in relationships, EQ isn't optional, it's essential. Thank you for listening.